guys, welcome back to Food Fun and Talks. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today we're going to be making stir-fry spaghetti. These are all the things you're going to need for this quick and easy recipe. So let's get straight into it. Into boiling water, add your spaghetti. As you can see here, I like adding a few drops of oil. This just helps prevent the spaghetti from sticking together and also stops it from becoming mushy. I'm also going to be seasoning it with just a pinch of salt. Let this cook for about 10 minutes, not too long, just till it's about ready. Now for the main part of the dish, this is where everything goes down. I'm going to be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into a hot pan. Let this heat up for a few seconds before I throw in my onions. I fry the onions for about 20 seconds, not too long, just till they become a little bit transparent before I add in my shrimp. After frying both the onions and the shrimps for a few seconds, I'm going to add in my chopped pepper. You know us in Nigeria, we can't eat anything if it does not have a hint of pepper in it. So I'm going to let that fry for about 2 minutes or just till the water from the pepper evaporates and dries off. I also seasoned this with a little bit of salt just because I wanted the shrimps to have a little bit of salt in them. Now that the water from the chopped peppers have dried up, I'm going to be adding in my mixed veggies. I also love to add in some green and red bell peppers. You can add in yellow if you have that too. Just because they give the food a very beautiful color, makes it look delicious. And also the taste is very, very nice. I love the taste of bell peppers. Let this fry for a little bit and now we're going straight into seasoning. I'm going to season this with a bit of dry pepper again. Some curry powder, some thyme, rosemary, and a little bit of salt. Let this fry, stir it so that everything is nice and incorporated before we move straight into the next step. Now I'm throwing in my sausages. Mix, stir, 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 so everything, the sausages get coated in all the seasoning. I'm also going to be adding in 1 stock cube just to give it a little bit more seasoning and make it taste way better. Now guys, this is all for the main part of the dish. So now I'm going to throw in my spaghetti that has strained completely, and slowly I'm going to mix it just to incorporate everything and make sure every strand of the spaghetti is nicely coated in the mixture we fried just before. Mix this slowly so that you don't mash up your spaghetti and break it up too much. Just take your time. You can also reduce the heat so that the spaghetti doesn't burn. Just take your time and incorporate everything. So guys, we are all done. This smelled so good and tasted equally as good. I hope you try out this recipe the next time you are craving some spaghetti. And if you do, please take a picture and tag us on all our social media accounts, which will be linked down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye!